Ladies and gentlemen, imagine taking a road trip in something that looks straight out of the 1970s, but drives like a dream straight out of 2025. Meet Birdy, the 1975 Volkswagen Type 2 motorhome that's been reborn by the Aussie wizards at Retro RV. I believe this might just be one of the coolest retro camper conversions I've ever laid eyes on. Now, let's talk about Birdy. Underneath that sunshine yellow and white shell, there's a secret that makes every gearhead grin. A Subaru-sourced 2.0-liter EJ20 fuel-injected 4-cylinder boxer engine, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. That's right, this little birdie ditched its old air-cooled heart for something that can actually climb hills without sounding like it's begging for mercy. It's good for smooth cruising, reliable starts, and fewer roadside bonding moments with your toolbox. The odometer shows just 3,391 kilometers, 2,107 miles. Though I think Birdy's spirit has seen a lifetime of sunsets. It rides on classic 14-inch white steel wheels with chrome hubcaps and Comforser CF300 tires, keeping it planted even when the wind decides to join the adventure. Priced around Audi $35,000, approximately USD $22,600 or $21,300. It's hard not to see why this little home on wheels turned heads at auction. Inside, it's everything you dream a retro camper could be, if the 70s had air conditioning that actually worked. The interior is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern comfort. Tan leather seats, soft yellow accents, and wood-faced cabinetry that feels handcrafted with love and maybe a little caffeine. I like the most how the builders managed to squeeze in everything without it feeling cramped. A fixed double bed at the rear, an L-shaped kitchenette with a large sink, fridge, and microwave, and a dining setup that cleverly folds out when it's time to eat. The bedroom offers windows on 3 sides, complete with blackout blinds for those lazy Sunday mornings. There's even a wall-mounted TV, because apparently Netflix and camping can coexist peacefully now. For power, you've got 240-volt outlets throughout, hot and cold water, and an outdoor shower for when you start smelling like authentic camper life. I think that's what the brochure calls it. Up top, there's a roof-mounted air conditioner and a storage rack, because let's be honest, road trips without extra luggage space end with someone holding a frying pan on their lap. Safety? Check. There's a smoke detector, fire extinguisher, and even a rear-view camera, so you don't back over your neighbor's tent. Trust me, it happens. Birdy was designed by Retro RV, a small Australian company that takes classic VW Type 2s and transforms them into modern micro motorhomes, hand-built, one-of-a-kind, and full on soul. Each unit gets its own character, and this one, it's sunshine, surf, and serenity on 4 wheels.